girls. Heifers are feeling good. They're in deep green grass. Woo, girls. Woo. I wouldn't come and feed you the girls. You're eating clover and ryegrass. Who wanted a cube anyway? There's one heifer, she's a bronco-faced. She came out bronco-faced right there. Red baldy, I'll take her off. The rest of her, she's a Hereford, but didn't come out marked right. Didn't come out marked correct. So. Getting across the fence is V8 Mr. Jim Williams. Of course, Brandon, Rachel. You can ask Jim how these, if you're a Brahmin player, you know Mr. Williams, ask him about these heifers. I kind of put them here for a reason so Jim can see how good they are. I do have Angus on the same place, and it's a phenomenal group of black baldies. Basically, you know what black baldy is. She's half Hereford, half Angus, so. Really good heifers. Got some deep rib, got some bone. Some really strapping, powerful cows when they grow up. These girls are all raised in South Dakota Herefords. Ooh. They're not going far. I like these Hereford guys. What's not to like about these? There's no irons on them. One deal. Good natured females. I'll make awesome cows. Again, I have an exceptional set of black baldies, which are obviously Hereford Angus, and I have some Angus here as well. So, and again, if y'all need a Brahmin, I could probably ask that guy over there. You can find a Brahmin bull, but first calf, always personally I like to go with the Angus or light birthday Gelby cross or Brangus. I love birthday bull because the hybrid vigor when you cross those powerful genetics with these powerful genetics makes a bigger calf than you would think. So I always kind of like going up some kind of calf and these to start off with. Anyway, 3.5 minutes video footage. Nice heifers. They're at my place in Bowling, Texas. Obviously they're northern genetics. I didn't say they raised them here. Graze them on good country. I like good cattle. I mean, my thoughts are with these good necks, with those good necks, you raise a great calf, right? Anyway, I'm Clayton Heifers. You know where to find me. Nice group of Herefords. Get on the same operation, same place. I have some black baldies and a fancy group of Anguses. Hope you enjoy these good heifers and call me. You know I am Clayton Heifers.